Hi, this is Dan and welcome to Have It Made. For today's video, we're gonna do a thrift flip. I've got inspired when I saw this trash terracotta photo from Pinterest and thought of giving it a try. Recently, I've got these vases for only 200 pesos or $4 from a thrift shop near our place. I'm super happy with the result and I'm very excited to share it with you guys. So, let's get started.
For the materials, we'll need paint, baking powder, container, and of course, our thrifted vases. Fill in container with your preferred paint. Luckily, we have leftover paint in our house, so I don't need to buy one. I'm just gonna mix this white color paint and the red one to achieve an old rose color that I want. Then, let's add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix well and you'll start to see this texture in your paint. Just gonna add a little bit of white to achieve the old rose that I want. You could always experiment with your paint. Now let's start painting this vase. Let it dry for a little while, then put another coat later. I like to use beige for these two vases, so I'm using a new container for this. Then add another teaspoon of baking powder. Mix well. Let it dry for a little while before we apply the second coat. While waiting, let's get back to this vase for the second coating. Time for the second coating of this vase. Now let's work on this one. Lastly, we'll work on this one. I'd like to make a lighter beige color for this. I applied 3 coating for each.
If you find this video helpful, please share it with me by using the hashtag HabitMade and tagging us on your social media accounts. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on our next video.